Hi, this is Steve with Xennsoft, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up shipping rates. So to start out, we're going to log into WorldVu, and under the Systems tab we'll drop down to Configuration. Okay, over on the left hand side under Sales we have both shipping settings and shipping methods. So we're going to start out with shipping settings, and this is pretty simple. First of all, we have our origin, and this is basically where things are being shipped from. So to start out, we're in the United States. We're here in Utah, so I'm going to change this to the state of Utah. And the zip code, we'll go ahead and put that in. And then you can enter your city and your street address as well. Under options, you can indicate if you'd like to allow shipping to multiple addresses, as well as a maximum quantity allowed for shipping to multiple addresses. And that's everything on this page, so we'll go ahead and save config. And now we'll drop down under Sales to Shipping Methods. Here you have multiple shipping methods: flat rate, free shipping, table rates, UPS, USPS, FedEx, and DHL. So in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the flat rate, shipping methods, and the table rates, and you can choose which of those you'd like to use. Or if you'd like to use shipping rates from a shipping company, we'll show you how to set that up in the next video. Actually, I'll just be going through the UPS setup in the next video. And the USPS, FedEx, and DHL are all very similar. But you will need to have an account there. And once you see how to set up UPS, the others are pretty much self-explanatory. So let's go ahead and start with flat rate shipping. Okay, the first thing you'll want to do if you're using this is to enable it. And this is already the default setting, so it is already enabled. And I should also mention that you can use multiple shipping options if you choose to do so. So then we have the title, flat rate. This can be changed to standard shipping or shipping, whatever it is that you'd like your customers and distributors to see. So then we have the method name. You can change that if you'd like as well. And you can indicate how you'd like the shipping method applied, per item, or you also have the option of per order. So we're going to set this as a flat rate per order. You can put the price in, so $5 shipping per order. And if you'd like to add a handling fee on top of that, you can do so. You may just want to have it included in the price of the shipping, but if you want to charge something extra on top of that, you can indicate that here. And you can also have the handling fee be based on a percentage, and rather than entering a dollar amount here, you can put in something like 5%. For our example, we're not going to charge a handling fee, so we'll take this out. Then there's a default error message in here that you can change if you would like to, if there's some problem. And then very important is to indicate which countries you're going to allow shipping to. So it defaults to all countries, but you may not be set up where you want to ship to all countries. So we can change this and specify which countries we would like to ship to. So for example, we can set this to the United States, as well as, let's say, Canada. And then show method if not applicable. I don't see any reason to show a shipping method if it doesn't apply to that customer or distributor situation, so I'd leave that as no. And if you're going to have multiple shipping options, you can sort the order. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at free shipping. And under free shipping, it has some of the same fields that you're going to fill in. You're going to want to enable it if there is free shipping. You can title it whatever you'd like, change the name, and you may want to set up a minimum order amount for the free shipping, let's say anything over $150. You have the same error message, and again you'll want to indicate which countries this is going to apply to. And again, you have these two options down here. Probably don't want to show free shipping as an option if they haven't met the $150 minimum threshold. Okay, under table rates, we again have many of the same fields. So you use a table rate, you'll want to enable it, and you can title it whatever you'd like. Then you have the condition. So this is where you indicate whether you want this shipping method to be calculated based on weight or price or the number of items. So for our example, let's go ahead and go with price. Now you'll notice that there's no tables on here. So how do you set up the table rates? Well, if we go back up to the top and we change this from default config to main website, it'll then give us this export CSV. So you can click on this and open it up in any spreadsheet. Let me show you what that would look like. So here we have the table rate sheet. So here it's asking for the country, the region, the zip code, weight, because that's what we indicated we're going to use, and the shipping price. So for example, let's say we're going to have this as our shipping rates for the United States. So we'll put in USA. So the region, I don't care which part of the United States it's in, so I'm just going to put in an asterisk. And the same thing for the zip code. So the asterisk, this is our wild card. It just indicates that any zip code or any region will apply within the United States. And we'll set our weight here starting at 0 pounds to, let's say, 50 pounds. And 0 to 50 pounds, we want the shipping to be, let's put in $5. Anything over 50 pounds will be $10. And we can go on with this. We can say anything over 100 pounds is going to be $15. And anything over 200 pounds is going to cost $20. And we'll go ahead and just copy this. Okay, so now we have any order under $50 will be charged a $5 shipping. Anything between 50 and 100 will be at $10, and so on. So then you can go ahead and save this spreadsheet, and then you'll be able to just import it into the system. And once again, you're able to add in a handling fee on top of that if you'd like to, and the other options are the same as before. So you always want to remember to save your changes, and that covers everything for flat rate, free shipping, and table rates. And in the next video, we're going to show you how to set up the UPS rates. So thanks for watching.